How to prove a burn injury in a personal injury case. Burn injury can be severe and life changing, often requiring extensive medical treatment, long term care, and rehabilitation. If you have suffered a burn injury due to someone else's negligence, it is important to understand how to prove your case and seek compensation. In this guide, we all outline the steps to effectively prove a burn injury in a personal injury case. First is seek immediate medical attention. The first step after sustaining a burn injury is to seek immediate medical attention, whether it is a minor burn or a severe one. Getting medical help is essential for both your recovery and your legal case. Medical record including the severity of the burn, treatment received, and follow-up care will be crucial evidence in your case. The doctor will document the type of burn, its location, and the treatment used, which will help prove the extensive of your injuries. And second is document the injury. Take photograph of the burn injury as soon as possible. This include close-up picture of the burn area as well as wide shot and show the overall extent and location of the burn. Make sure to take photos regularly as the injury heal to show the progression of the healing process. This visual evidence can demonstrate the severity of the injury and the impact it has on your life. Keep a personal journal to record your pain, recovery process, medical treatment, and any impact the injury has on your daily activity. This will strengthen your case by showing the emotional and physical toll the burn injury has caused. And third is identify the cause of the burn. To prove liability, you need to determine how to burn injury occur. Common cause of burn injury include: first is defective product, negligence on the part of the employer or property owners, and car accident or vehicle fires. Chemical spill, 2. Exposure to toxic substance. Identifying the exact cause of your burn injury help you establish who is liable. If another party's negligence led to the injury, you may be entitled to compensation. And fourth is collect evidence of negligence. Evidence is critical in proving that another party's negligence caused your burn injury. This might include witness statement. If anyone saw the accident occur, their testimony can help prove that someone else's action were responsible. Expert testimony. In some cases, an expert witness can help explain the extent of the burn, the cause, and its potential long term effect. Surveillance footage. If the injuries occurred in a public place or at work, there may be security camera that recorded the incident. This footage can provide crucial evidence of negligence. Keep copy of any relevant document such as product manual, maintenance log, or safety record that can prove the defendant was negligence. Understand the severity of the burn injury. Burn are classified into three categories: first degree, second degree, and third degree burns. The severity of the burn play a significant role in determining the extent of your damage and the compensation you are entitled to. First degree burn are minor and typically only affect the outer layer of the skin, causing redness and pain. Second degree burn affect deeper layer of the skin and can cause blistering, severe pain and swelling. Third degree burn are the most severe, damaging all layer of the skin and potentially deeper tissue. They can cause permanent scarring and disfigurement. The more severe the burn, the higher the compensation you may be entitled to for medical cost, lost wage, and pain and suffering. And six is keep track of your medical treatment. After seeking immediate medical attention, follow your doctor instruction for further treatment. This might include medication, a skin graft, physical therapy, and rehabilitation. Make sure to attend all medical appointments and keep record of any ongoing treatment, surgeries, or therapist. This not only help you recover but also provides evidence of the injury's severity and long-term impact. And seventh is work with an experienced personal injury lawyer. Burn injury cases can be complicated, especially when proving negligence and calculating damage. A personal injury lawyer with experience in burn case and can help you navigate the legal process. And eighth is file the personal injury claim. Once you have gathered all the necessary evidence and consult with a lawyer, the next step is to file your personal injury claim. This will involve submitting all relevant documents including medical records, photographs, expert testimony, and evidence of negligence. And ninth is be prepared for negotiation or litigation. In most personal injury cases, the insurance company will try to settle the claim outside of court. However, it is important to be prepared for the possibility that they may offer a settlement that is less than what you deserve. Proving a burn injury in a personal injury case requires careful documentation, understanding the cause of the injury, and providing evidence of negligence. By gathering the right evidence and working with an experienced personal injury lawyer, you can ensure that you receive the compensation you deserve for your injuries and suffering. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and share it with friends and family. Thanks for watching this video.